Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's recipe, I am going to show how to make Moong Godshem. Many people have requested this recipe, so I came up in showing this one. So it's a very simple recipe. Moong Godshem. It is a Goan recipe and has good nutritional values. It helps to keep our body warm during winters when we have cold or fever. It is often recommended and it is easily digestible and light on the stomach. So let's get started. What you need to do is I've taken 250 grams of moong. You have to wash it at least 3-4 times and then soak it for 4 hours minimum. That's what I did. And before you boil, you discarded water, and to boil, take a fresh one. So I'm going to pressure cook this by using salt, and we also need, meanwhile this is getting boiled, we also need one coconut grated and elaichi powder also with jaggery. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to keep this for boiling. So let's start with this first step. Guys, let's open this now after 5 whistles. This is how we want this. These are overcooked exactly how I was expecting after 5 whistles. Check this out. Easily getting mashed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this to the pot, mud pot, and I'm going to add water to that and let it boil with jaggery. So let's do that. Guys, check this out. This mud pot I had bought specially to make godshe, and this gives me a traditional vibe. So let's transfer this to this pot. Now also add hot water to this. Jaggery, I've taken palm jaggery and sugarcane one. Palm jaggery is 100 grams and sugarcane 200 grams. Now this I'll keep it on the range on a medium flame. Now the next step, what you have to do is the grated coconut I've added to a jar. By adding water, you need to make a fine paste. Guys, check this out. This I kept it on simmer. This jaggery is also dissolved. Once it starts to boil, now I'm going to add coconut. Mix this and let it simmer for a while. Check this. Now I will add elaichi powder to this, half a teaspoon, and let this simmer for at least 10 minutes. Check out the consistency. So guys, look at this. This is ready now. Check the consistency. This is how it should be. And now I'm going to switch off the flame. This is ready to be served now. Guys, check this. Check this out. This is how Godshem is made. do follow my step by step recipe and you will get the exact Godshem taste. This is how Godshem has been made. And please do like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends and family as well. And God bless you all. Thank you very much.